to get started with crypto but not sure where to begin? Today, I'm here to guide you through setting up an account on Bybit. Bybit is one of the most beginner-friendly exchanges out there, and I'll walk you through each step. By the end of this video, you'll be fully set up, verified, and ready for your first transaction. Now, let's get started. First things first, you head over to your browser and type in bybit.com. That's Bybit official website, or you download the app from App Store or Google Play Store. It's available for both Android and iPhone users, and you can also access it both on your phone and your laptop, so it's up to you. But I'll be using my phone to show you the steps. So if you're on Google Play Store, type in Bybit and hit search. Once it pops up, you go ahead to install it. I've done that already, so you can go ahead to do yours. You can see mine has the installed. Once you open the app, you'll see the sign up / login option right on the home screen. Tap on it and let's keep going. So you have two ways to register, either using your mobile phone or your email. For this example, let's go with email. So I'll type in my email and then create a strong password. Make sure to choose a unique password that is tough to guess, because this is your first line of defense, so you have to make it count. And once you are set, tap the sign up button. Now you'll see a quick CAPTCHA verification. All you have to do is drag the slider to match the puzzle piece in the center. It's that simple. And once it shows success, you are good to go. So next, Bybit will send you a verification code to the email address you used for your registration. So head over to your email, copy the code. This is what the code is going to look like. Copy it and paste it back on the Bybit registration page. This step confirms that your email is valid and active. And just like that, you are officially logged into Bybit. And Bybit says, welcome to Bybit. But you're not done yet. Now that you are in, it's time to verify your identity. And it's called KYC because it's important, because it ensures a secure and compliant trading experience. Because without it, you will not be able to access all the goodies Bybit has to offer. Now, let's go ahead to do your verification. To verify your identity, you need to upload a photo of your government ID card, so either your national ID card, international passport, or your driver's license. You need to also upload a selfie as well. You can see right at the top a skip button. Do not skip. I recommend you complete the verification process so you can get the full option. You can get the most out of this platform. This step is quick and it's worth it. So you click on verify now. It brings up a page asking for your proof of identity. Click on verify. So you can see that Bybit has automatically detected my location. I'm in Nigeria and it has detected that already. You can also see the options to verify with a residential permit, passport, driver's license, or your BVN. And Bybit recommends using your BVN for quick verification. So let's go with that for this example. You click on BVN and confirm. Then you'll be asked whether you are a US resident or not. Select your answer and continue. The next page is asking for your profile details and your selfie. Click on continue. Fill in your details, put in your BVN and your last name, right? You continue. Then you go ahead to take a selfie with your phone facing your face. It's simple. Just keep your face centered in the frame and you are good to go. Bybit usually takes about 5 minutes or less to verify everything. They will match your BVN to your selfie, and once it's approved, voila, you see the sign completed. You also see a message saying your identity verification has been approved. If you can see unverified, just hold on a sec. You'll see that it's been verified. As you can see right here, verified ID. You're now fully verified on Bybit. From here, you can access your wallet address, trade, do your P2P transactions, and more. And that's it. Your Bybit account is now verified and ready to use. You can start exploring the platform, try out your first trade, or you check out Bybit's peer-to-peer transaction. If you are interested in learning more about trading on Bybit or how you can transfer funds, drop a comment right below. You know I love to hear from you. Remember to hit the subscribe button for more helpful crypto guides like this one. Thank you for watching and stay safe on your crypto journey out there. See you next time.